But why is my nose running? It just started right now when I stepped outside. Is it the cold? Does the cold make you like have a runny nose? Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is the face of after having a really long day. This is my face after every day. Look at my hairs. They're like sticking out all over my face. Face is oily, but we made it through. It's not, the day's not even done yet. Ooh, what am I even talking about? This is just the end of the work day. We still have a lot of things to do, so this means let's go. I just got home and I'm running a little bit late for the gym, but I wanted to show you guys these tamales that one of my coworkers gave to me today. I'm so happy. It's red and I think green tamales, so I thought that was so nice of her to give them to me. So I'm gonna enjoy these maybe later, but I need to go to the gym first, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm back in the kitchen, guys, and I quickly did want to show you. I have them here because I have them hidden from Victor. Just kidding, not really. I have them here because I don't know where else to put them. I made them recently. They are pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you saw when I made these. I can't take credit for the recipe though because I got it off of this lady from YouTube. I'll leave that lady's video linked in the description box because I really like the way she explained it in the video, and in the description box it has the exact amount of each ingredient that you need, plus it gave you like in detail the procedure of like how to make them. So I really did enjoy her video, and I've been watching other videos from her channel too. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, the channel, but I'll make sure to link it for you guys. Coco just jumped on top of the fridge. Coco! Coco! Come here! What are you doing? Come here. She's like, no. But yeah, they're really, really delicious. I highly recommend you guys trying it out if you guys like baking or just want to try it out, because why not? It's super easy to make and they came out so good. So hi guys, so it is a couple of days later. It is actually Wednesday today. The last time I picked up the camera was on Monday, and even then it was like, I think for the most part it was like all over the place. I just remember what you guys saw. I took you guys along with me to work, which I don't really share a lot here on YouTube with you guys, but I thought it was nice for you guys to see. And then after that, I literally just went to the gym and got home and relaxed. Today, you guys are going to come along with me because it is actually my mom's birthday. So I just got back from work. I rested for like, I was laying down. I don't know if you can tell my hair. I laid down for like 10 minutes and then I talked to my mom. We just ordered food. I asked her what she wanted to eat, so we ordered the food. We're going to pick it up and then take it to her house, Victor and I, and then we're going to just hang out there with my sister. My sister also really wanted me to go over because they found a dog yesterday. What was it? It's a French bulldog. They found it and they tried all day. They checked it for its microchip. It doesn't have a microchip. I don't know how they contacted a lady. Somehow they were able to contact some lady and ask her, and the lady thought it was her dog. She came all the way to my mom's house to see if it was hers, but ended up it wasn't. So they're still trying to find its home. Yeah, so you guys are going to see that. We're hungry. Let's go. Coco! I scared Coco. I hear her. She has like this pink thing. I don't know where it is right now though, but she goes crazy for that. It's like her new favorite one. She really likes, what's it called? She likes like Q-tips. That's been her favorite for a while, but she rediscovered this older toy. I'll see if I can find it. She goes crazy. Maura, feliz cumpleaños!
¡Feliz cumpleaños, feliz! ¡Feliz cumpleaños 66!
Charlie, let's go see the doggy that you found. Who found him? Did you find him? Did you find him? Did you find him? Hey! Oh my gosh! Oh, careful! Hey! Who are you? Oh, he like snorted on me. Who are you? Who do you belong to? Who do you belong to? I don't know. Hey, careful! You're gonna like fall off the chair. Hi! Hello! You keep snorting! You keep snorting! Hey, Frenchie! Can I name you Frenchie? Hi! Mira, Charlie, él sí come sus vegetales. He eats his vegetables. ¿Qué pasó, Charlie? ¿Qué pasó, Charlie? You need to... He's so happy. Flautas. Flautas. Look, baby Ashley. This one right here, the small one. And then big Ashley. That's a weird smile. I don't know how to smile. And then medium Ashley. Ashley and Victor. That hair though. That was 4th grade. I remember specifically that was 4th grade. Oh, and I like these. Me and my sister. My sister said that's Charlie. Well, that is Charlie. So that's Charlie and Snoopy. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown and Snoopy. Hi there.
Ay, mira, ventólate. Con esta ventola.
Whoa! Come on! I'm putting it in your nose! His nose on the camera. Hey, booger buds! Did you guys know my sister officially adopted her fosters? Do you remember them? So official name, she is Arabella. And where is, there you are. That's Arrow. They grow a lot since last time you guys saw them. Hello, Arrow. You're a big boy now. And Leo, you look like a little loaf of bread. Can I boop you? Boop. Can I boop you, Celeste? Boop. Falcon, you haven't let me get you in video. Don't be scared. He's like the most scared of me, I think. Don't be scared. It's just me. I'm your tia. I'm your tia. Oh, both him and Olivia. They're scared of me. I don't know why. Why? But why? Even when I look at you, Olivia, you're scared of me. Why? There's one hiding in there. You just can't see him because he's a black kitty. And it's dark. He apparently doesn't want to come out in the vlog. He's shy. Oh my gosh, my hairs. He's shy like my sister. My sister didn't want to come out, so we'll respect their decision. Where's the sheeple? Nuestro sheeple. Oh, Marley, chill. Relax. I have the camera. Oh, he smells the other dog. That's why. Come here. Hey, I'm trying to get you up. You're so hyper right now. Relax. You big boy, Marley. You're not little baby. Piensas que eres baby, pero no lo eres. Bueno, you are, but big baby. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, big boy. Oh, thank you for bringing the pillow. It fell. You're right, Marley. Bring it over here. Bring it. Good boy. Bring it all the way. Oh, you're so close. Bring it here. Put it. Put it. Good boy. No, leave it. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit. ¿Qué dices, Coco? He cray cray. He cray cray, huh? Meow wow. Show them. Sit. Show them sit. Show them paw. Good paw. Good paw. Lay. Good lay. Good lay. See? Oh, of course, have to follow Victor. So apparently we love animals on this channel, so if you guys do too, then don't forget to subscribe down below. And I think that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up also if you did enjoy. I think right now we're just going to go ahead and actually watching the Masked Singer. It is the season finale, so who do you guys think is gonna win? The Three Lambs or the, well, who's the other one? The Harp. I have no idea, but we're gonna go ahead and watch the finale of that then, and then oh, I have to start editing this vlog so that's what we're going to do. See you guys and talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, JK, just give me a minute again. I was literally about to export and edit this vlog and stuff. I have my thing here, but OMG, I think Harp is going to win. Based off of this performance tonight, I really think Harp has it. I don't know, I think the lambs were good in some performances, but I think this performance is. Anyways, now I can close out the vlog. Talk to you guys later.